All right, I'm gonna video this. I'm definitely gonna video this. All right, first time with the City Hall loop, guys. I've never done this before, ever. That goes to 4. Oh, I see it coming up. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, there it is. Whoa. Oh my God, that is cool. Bro, that is freaking awesome. That is awesome. So now I think we're just gonna align with the express trains now. Yeah. Yeah, no, we basically went under the express tracks. Yeah. Yeah, there it is, there it is.
No regrets.
Oh, 0.
What?
I low-key want to stay with
Go where?
I don't know, the rocks.
The props.
Yeah.
We're doing the props.
All right, that was City Hall loop, guys.
What are we going to do in the Williamsburg Bridge?
Walk it,
bro.
We're
Yeah.
walking across it.
And we can get food. We can get food in Brooklyn, the area.
I kind of want to... I've heard there's this South American barbecue places there.
South America. How expensive is it?
All right. Well, that'll be it, guys.
To Pelham Bay Park, approaching the station.
I was trying to get that on the video. There we go.
This is an accessible station. Check nta.info/elevators to confirm that your elevator is in service.